Hi traders, this is Steve Miley for forextraders.com, and here we're looking at the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar USDCAD spot FX rate on a day trade outlook. Well, the most important development really overnight in here has been this consolidation that we saw at the end of last week and the beginning of this week, just below this critical 132.40 level, and then the spike higher up through that level overnight in here, late yesterday overnight, to signal a more positive tone on an intermediate term basis. Previously, the intermediate term outlook was bearish from this downtrend. The push through here now signals a better basing structure, a better recovery theme. The broader intermediate term outlook is now as a range theme between 133.48 and 131.07. But in the context of that, certainly a short term day trade and maybe 1 to 2 day trade outlook for a still more positive tone. It's an important break above that level, having been hesitant just below that level at the end of last week. So that sets up a more positive tone and aims the market higher for today, looking for a push up to 132.49 and then maybe higher targets closer to 133.00. On the downside, it's only a surrender of 132.07 that would see a shift today to a slightly more negative tone. This has been Steve Miley for forextraders.com. Please don't forget to follow our YouTube channel and we'll be back with you soon. Until then, have a great trading day.